In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fill out taxes for DoorDash using H&R Block online. If you work as a Dasher and you're unsure how to report your earnings, this simple guide will help you understand the basics and get started with confidence. First, it's important to understand how taxes work when you deliver for DoorDash. Dashers are considered independent contractors, not traditional employees. That means taxes are not automatically taken out of your earnings. Instead, you are responsible for reporting your income and paying any taxes owed when you file your return. When tax season arrives, you'll usually receive a form called 1099 NEC from DoorDash if you earned at least a certain amount from deliveries. This form shows the total income you received directly from the platform, including things like incentives or referral payments. You'll use this information when reporting your earnings. Inside H&R Block, start by opening your tax return and entering your personal information in the main setup section. Once that's complete, move to the income area of the tax return. This is where you'll report the money you earned as a DoorDash driver. Since delivery work counts as self-employment income, it's typically reported using Schedule C. When you enter the details from your 1099 NEC, the software will guide you through adding your business income and organizing it correctly. One important advantage of being an independent contractor is that you may qualify for tax deductions related to your work. For many Dashers, the biggest deduction comes from using a personal vehicle for deliveries. There are two common ways to calculate vehicle deductions. The first is the standard mileage method, where you deduct a fixed amount for each mile you drive while working. The second option is the actual expense method, which includes costs such as fuel, insurance, maintenance, and other vehicle-related expenses. If you use your car for both personal and delivery purposes, you'll need to track the miles driven for work separately. Keeping a simple mileage log can make this part much easier when it's time to file your taxes. Another thing to remember is that self-employed workers may also need to pay self-employment taxes, which cover contributions to programs like Social Security and Medicare. The tax software will automatically calculate these amounts based on the income you report. Depending on where you live, there may also be state or local taxes to consider. Some areas may require additional reporting, so it's always a good idea to check your local tax rules if you're unsure. Once you've entered your income, added any deductions, and reviewed your information, the software will guide you through the final steps of filing your return. Taking the time to enter everything accurately can help ensure your taxes are correct and that you claim any deductions you're eligible for. And that's how you fill out taxes for DoorDash using H&R Block. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.